Hello lovely, this is a tutorial to show you how to work a part of the double crochet family. It's the linked extended double crochet. I find it really useful for making garments. There's so many benefits to this stitch, so hopefully this tutorial should show you a little bit of why I love this stitch so much, and hopefully you'll fall in love with it too. Let's get started. This is a raglan that I'm working on. I think this is like version 40 billion, just to get the fit right, and then it will be graded as well to all sizes from extra small to 5XL, but at the moment this is just my prototype. This is my sample size, so thought I would just give you a quick little look on how we're working it. So instead, when you do a normal double crochet, you yarn over first, and then you go into the stitch below the previous row's stitch, and you pull through and then pull through, and then you've got your double crochet. And if you look, they look different, and the reason is because the extended double crochet has an extra link, an extra chain before you work it, and that's why it's slightly taller than the normal standard double crochet. And also they're linked together, like arms linking together, so it makes a locked stitch, makes them more uniform, makes them all work as one rather than individually. So both ways are just a little tweak. Let me show you how I work it. Okay, so from here to work the next stitch, instead of yarning over, what you're doing instead is you're going to insert your hook into this central bar. This is like the arm linking part of, imagine everyone's standing in a big row and they are all linking arms, so they're all linking arms. So we'll insert our hook into this bar here, and then we're going to pull through and pull up a loop. Now we've got two loops on our hook, and instead we're not going to yarn over, we're keeping this one like this, and then we're going to insert our hook into the stitch. Now we're going to pull up a loop. Now we've got 3 loops on our hook. We're not going to pull through 2, we're only going to pull through 1 loop, like that. That gives the chain. So what we've actually created here is a chain, a bit like doing a foundation double crochet. And now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, just like a normal double crochet, and yarn over and pull through 2 to finish like a normal double crochet. So it's all in the start of it. There's just 2 extra little bits, 2 variations at the start, but then it works at the end like a double crochet, and that's how you make them linked. So for the next one, we're going to insert again, no yarning over, just inserting into the central bar, pull up and pull through 2 loops on your hook, insert to the stitch, pull up a loop, chain, pull through 1 loop, 3 loops on your hook. Now just finish it like a normal double crochet, and that's how you work an extended linked double crochet. Pretty cool, eh? So I like these types of stitches. I think they're really good for garment making, and also the benefit, in case it's not obvious, is that because it's so high, it's such a long stitch, it works up really quickly. It's very economical with yarn. Definitely a good stitch to work with. So let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like and share and all the other stuff. Thanks, lovely.